Hello dear friends, welcome back to High Point again. Today in this lecture series of cultural studies, we are going to learn about spaces of home. We were looking about various concepts related to space relevant in cultural studies. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it and also follow me on Instagram. If you are looking for some online materials, you can visit my website www.highpoint.in for NTU UGC NET JRF English Language and Literature Paper 2 study materials. We are sharing audio lectures, PDF downloadable PDF materials and previous and practice question papers. If you wanted to know further anything related to the study materials and the free bonuses that we are sharing for our students through the website, you can use this WhatsApp number or use Instagram page to reach out to me, okay? Or you can comment just below the video if you wanted to know more. Okay, then spaces of home. Let's see the introduction. Space within the house. So spaces of home means inside the house we have various spaces. Okay, how consumerism is entering into the house and what are the various concepts related to spaces within the house. That's what we are going to learn today. Space is not just a physical geographical terrain, but also includes relationship and emotional states. So inside the spaces of home, how a place becomes a space. So now space is, first of all, it associated with people and ideas. See, take the example of a park. It's a place, right? But when people come and occupy that place according to the ideology with which that space has built, then only that becomes a space. So space is not just a physical or geographical terrain. Okay, it includes relationships, it includes various ideologies, it includes various emotional states. So now especially space within the house, it also includes relationships and emotional states. The space of the home has various dimensions, like emotional dimension is there, physical dimension is, see, various spaces are used for various physical functions, right? Like utilitarian, various utilities are there for different spaces within the house. Then fashion and style. What is the fashion and style that we are that we have inside our bedroom may not be the same with the drawing room or may not be the same with the kitchen or bathroom. So it's a space of fashion and style. Now Lydia Martins and Sue Scott say that the discourse of housekeeping home space is situated at the intersection of two discourses. See how home space is situated. There is an intersection of two discourses, domestic space and consumer space. So these are the two spaces that we have intersected within the space of house, according to Lydia Martins. What is domestic space? No, we all know this. Domestic space means space of the family, relationship of the various people. So what kind of relationship, emotional attachment that we have between people inside the house. Then it includes events and process of child care, responsibility, education, health care, celebrations, leisure. So all these processes are happening inside the home. Then the relationship between various people within the house itself. So that is domestic space. Then consumer space means consumption of various products. Then furnishing, when we furnish our house, we are buying many other products. When we consume food, we are again consuming various things. Then safety, for our own safety, we are using many things. For our health purpose, for leisure purpose, we are using products. So that's how we are, for various purposes, we are buying and using and consuming various products. That's how the consumerism is entering into domestic space. So when domestic space and consumer space intersect with each other, then what happened? Housekeeping discourse happening. Within the home, two crucial spaces that emerge. The space of domesticity. So in a house, you can find two spaces, domestic space and space of consumption. Two crucial spaces emerging within the home. What are they? The space of domesticity and the space of consumption. Now, The space of home is mapped into the space of consumption, where the rhetoric of domesticity using the discourse of safety, health, lifestyle, and family proposes that the space of home and its inhabitants can be guarded and improved through the use of certain products. So what happens in the name of safety, in the name of fashion and style, in the name of lifestyle, in the name of health, in the name of food, in the name of family, we are using many kind of products. Okay, so that's how consumerism is entering into the domestic space. That's how home also becomes a space of consumption. With this, the space of the home intersect with the consumer culture. For all these purposes, the house space or home space get entered with consumer space, or intersected with consumer space. That's how the space of home intersect with the consumer culture. Let's have the conclusion. The space of the home is also a space of consumption. So it's not a space of relationship, not only a space of relationship and emotion, but it's a space of consumption. Which space? Space of home. Then rhetoric of domesticity linked to spaces. See, the rhetoric of domesticity or domesticity itself links with these two spaces. Spaces of relation or domesticity, or space, and spaces of what? Consumerism or consumer space. Discourses of utility, health, family, help, consumer culture enter into domestic space. So various purposes we are using various kind of products. N number of products are there in our house that is not produced by you. So for these kind of discourses of utility, health, family, help, safety, or leisure, for all these reasons, consumer culture entering into domestic space, because we are using consumer products. Okay, now, so that's all about spaces in house. If you have any doubts, queries, questions, do mention that in the comment section, and use this WhatsApp number to reach out to me. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit my website. The link to the website is there in the description box. If you are interested to have online study materials, comprehensible, well arranged and simplified, then you can visit my website and you can subscribe to the course from the website itself. If you wanted to know more anything related to the course materials that we are sharing, the free bonuses that we are sharing, then you can use this WhatsApp number to know more about the courses that we are sharing. Okay, and also I also want you to watch the previous videos, because otherwise you will won't find any connection. You will find this video as an abrupt one. I just began abruptly and ended abruptly, but if you watched the previous videos, then that will be a lot more helpful for you to understand this video. Otherwise you will find this video empty. So watch the videos one by one, because everything is interlinked. I'm not going to I haven't described the already discussed things again and again in the videos. If you missed the previous videos, please do go and watch the previous videos. Otherwise you will be otherwise it will be difficult for you to understand this. Okay, meet you in the next video session. Until then, stay tuned to Hypoen and be happy, and thanks for watching this video. Tata, bye bye.